Mariquita? We got the rape van feeling some type of way today on New Year's Day. You already know we got the Four Loko. We happy today. Woo! So we're out here for New Year's. I love it. Prior to this, I was at a house, you know, drinking, doing a lot of good activities.
You were under a bridge, not a house.
I was in a house drinking, having a good time. Right now, I'm feeling some type of way. I'm feeling good. It's the New Year meet. I want fireworks. I want a lot of rubber. I want a lot of activities. Saludos, compa. Para el año nuevo. Fondo, fondo, fondo. ¡Hey! Happy New Year. Yeah, first spot, he's already on wires. I like that. We got one cop in the house. Ya llegó un policía. On our way to the next location. It's almost New Year's, guys. Falta poquitito nomás y ya llegamos al año nuevo. On to the next location, baby.
Palos, placas y es nomás para empezar. Una guacamole transitando en la ciudad.
We told us to move in the most polite way that I can think of. That BMW though for the win. I had some good control right there. That's right. Okay. We got a subscriber with some sick ass manos right now. They're shooting paintball in the sky. This guy has a paintball gun. Chulada, chulada. We got the paintball guns in the sky. This guy does it like nothing. ¿Qué pasó?
Del mismo, el que enseña
El Beamer tiene manos ese güey. Oh! You know it ain't a New Year's without the fireworks. Sheesh. That's good. So I told him that I fuck with Mickey Mouse, and then he pops up with this, lift it up. Another Mickey Mouse. And then his underwear's Mickey Mouse, his socks are Mickey Mouse, and su tanga Mickey Mouse. The hat is Mickey Mouse. You should get a job at Disney, bro. The doors open. Happy New Year 2021, baby. Let's get it. His tires have popped and he's still going at it. 10 more minutes for the New Year, guys. 10 more minutes and it's a wrap. 2021. And if you don't have two girlfriends, make sure you get two girlfriends because you need it. You need it. Okay, we're going to the next location. Probably by midnight we'll make it there. Shot. Shee, for the New Year. Oh shit. God damn. Alright guys, so the next spot is on the freeway. They're gonna hit it right at midnight right now. For the happy 2021, guys, so let's get it. We parked on the wrong side of the freeway, but they're taking over Angel Stadium right now. It's about to be midnight, guys. And we're here, they blocked up this whole side. I'm on the wrong side. Hey, what's poppin'? We got the A right here. The freeway's officially shut down. It's about to be midnight right now, so get ready. The fireworks are being popped. We have Angel Stadium right here. 2 more minutes! We're in the opposite side of the freeway, guys. Oh, hey, it's about to be New Year! It's New Year! It's New Year! Chug. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! 2021, baby. Oh, we got county news here. Okay. But Happy New Year, the cops are here. How do you feel being in 2021? Yeah, same. We got the feds over here. The units are coming in hot. We park smart, so we're in the safe zone. Look at that view, guys. We got the feds. I'm glad that I was able to spend New Year's with you guys. You guys mean the world to me. KF Gang. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Become a part of the KF Gang movement. Let's go. Damn, we got CHP kicking out everybody. You already know we have to start the new year with some cops on the bridge and people getting arrested. Sheesh. You already know we made it to the 4th of July, aka New Year's, baby, right here spot. God damn. Happy New Year's, KF Gang. I love the support you guys gave me this year. The ending of 2020 was really beautiful, guys. Get the fuck out of me! Light it.
Spent some days in the trap and got my money up.